Alright, so what's up everyone? We're back again, another video. Today we're trying to take this... Oh good. Today we're trying to take the block, the head and crankshaft, I got a flywheel too, over to the machine shop. Get this process going because not really that I'm at a standstill, but there's not much more to do at the moment without the engine in the car. So I gotta get the ball rolling, gotta make sure the cylinder walls are all good, that we're probably just gonna go slightly larger. We're gonna bore it out a 0.5 millimeter, hopefully. When I bring it to the machine shop, I'm gonna talk to him about it. Hopefully we could do a half, because I was thinking about leaving it, but he's gonna have to clean it, so then it's gonna remove some material. So if you're removing some material, you might as well just go a 0.5 millimeter, right? But I got a list of stuff here. There's a list, stuff I gotta bring to the machine shop. Like I said, I gotta bring the block, the head, the crankshaft's right next to it, and flywheel's down there. And then I gotta bring this piece. Where is it? This is the extended collar thing. I forget which video it was, but I was explaining the reason for it, but I'll link it up here. There's a reason why people machine this off. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see it very well. I just shit all in the way. This is the area right here, and we're gonna extend it to about that. So let's get cracking. Since it's pretty shitty outside today, everything's just wet. I'm gonna try to put this, I don't know what I can, but I'm gonna try to put some of this in, like, I guess garbage bags, just to prevent more water getting on it and rusting up more. But let's get cracking. I got one thing down, just throw shit in. So we're all loaded up. Got the crankshaft in the car, because I feel like that, I don't want that rolling. And I wasn't really planning on strapping anything down, so everything is flat, so it should just sit there. No problem. Flywheel's in there, getting that resurfaced. Block is getting, probably bored and honed, resurfacing the top. I'm gonna talk to him about the finishes, because one head gasket I was thinking of using needs like a super smooth surface. So I gotta see if he could do that first. If not, then I'll just get a regular like Tomei metal gasket. The head is getting decked and resurfaced also, and the crankshaft is getting that new collar put on. So yeah, this is the mess I'm dealing with here. Took the fender off. I don't think I mentioned that I put the, not really put yet, but there's the line card. There's the fuse box harness that was over there in that area. Made its way through here, and then in that hole right there. That hole. As I was going through it all, I mean, I left the wires long just in case, but let's look here. This, nothing connected to it. This, for relays, nothing connected to it. There was 2 relays sitting in here, and the fan, the power wire for the fan was just jammed in one of these. So another one was like for the clutch or whatever, but the car was running fine and there was nothing hooked up to that. So just in case, left the wires long if I gotta resplice it somehow. But let's bring this to the machine shop. And we're back from the machine shop. Truck's empty, there's nothing to show you there. Garage has a little bit more space already. Made a stop at Lowe's. Got this guy. And I guess that means I'm gonna have to start buying tools for it. What a shame, right? I got a hose. I don't even know how long this is. 50-foot hose, which is probably way overkill for the amount that I need. Get this little guy. So very simple. That's all the tools I have for now. But I'm gonna eventually wind up buying some air tools to go along with my nice compressor. Yeah, I guess that's it for today. I just gotta try to straighten up the garage a little bit because it is a disaster. Had weekend projects going on and now the floor is covered in sawdust and this is sawdust on it. Doesn't help that the car's in like a million pieces right now too, so there's like stuff all over. On the roof, fucking the dash over here, the fender, engine. So, a nice quick one today. I just wanted to document that I'm dropping the thing off, that I was dropping the motor off at the machine shop. Next thing on the list that I want to try to bring stuff to places, I guess, that to get other people to do stuff is, I bought a catch can. So the catch can, the valve covers, the timing covers are down there, and wheels. I want to bring to get powder coated. I'm probably I'm gonna bring all that stuff. Planning on bringing that to get powder coated right now. I'll probably wind up leaving brake calipers black for now, and then if I want to switch it up eventually, maybe I'll do the calipers the same color as like the engine stuff, and then wheels could just be whatever color, but that doesn't matter right now. I finally decided that I am gonna paint the engine bay. So that was some of the reason why I got the compressor. I've been wanting to buy one for a while now, so that was just like the icing on the cake to do that. So there's still more stuff to take apart in the engine bay to get to the paint process, since the engine's gonna be at the machine shop for at least 2 weeks. So I got some time to do this. Yeah, I'll probably just wind up cleaning up a bunch of stuff like this. Apparently this was chewed off. The other one, so I'll probably like neaten that up, get the engine bay ready for paint and paint it. I want to thank you guys for joining me today on this quick video. Like I said, just dropped the motor off to the machine shop. I think I told you guys what I was going to do with it already. Picked up the compressor and gonna paint that. So thanks for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and share the video. See you guys in the next one.